Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on the 12th of February 2023 in Malta. High winds and waves caused damage across Malta, including several historic sites as storm Helios battered the island. Some woke up to devastation, with kiosks, ferry terminals and historic structures having been battered by the winds and damaged by a storm dubbed Helios. Others found their cars crushed under rubble. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet. $140 of rainfall postponed St. Paul Feast celebrations, cancelled ferry trips, halted food deliveries and wreaked havoc in several coastal towns.